Having trouble with English? Change the language. Click here for video settings, select subtitles, then auto-translate, and then select the language you prefer from the list. Let me show you how easy it is to start using the Gojji Plus blood sugar testing device. Before you start testing, charge the meter fully with the cable provided for approximately 2 hours. While charging, the LED indicator will be red. It will turn green once fully charged. Insert a test strip with the contact bars facing up until it stops. The meter will display GLU if you insert a blood glucose strip, or ketone if you insert a ketone strip. Select the appropriate measuring mode. For glucose tests, there are 3 modes for measuring: GEN for general, AC for before meal, and PC for after meal. Press M to select the measuring mode you want. Use the lancing device on a fingertip. Discard the first drop of blood and apply the second drop to the test strip. The device will display a result on the screen automatically. It's that easy. After completing a blood glucose test, eject the strip using this button on the top of the meter. Now the data is being transmitted to our server automatically. The screen showing PCL and a blinking blue light confirms that the meter is in cellular connectivity mode and is transmitting data. When the blue light turns solid, it means that your test results, along with the date and time, have been uploaded. Your first reading may take longer to upload, up to 5 minutes, due to the device being registered for the first time. The date and time on your first test may not be accurate, but it will be synced to the local date and time after the first transmission. After a brief period of time, the meter will automatically turn off. To view your past test results, press and release the M button to enter memory mode. The icon that looks like a folder with the letter M will appear on the display. Press M again to access your reading history. The first reading you see is the most recent test result, along with the date, time, and the measurement mode that was used. Keep pressing M to view your previous readings, from most recent to oldest. Welcome to Gojji and happy testing.